Welcome everyone from Palm Canyon. We're in the Kofa Wildlife Management or Wildlife Refuge again this week, and we are camped at the base of Palm Canyon. Yesterday's Palm Canyon hike started out disastrous, so I shut it down and figured I'd start over again today. I'm not gonna kind of a little overview of the area we're in. It's really beautiful out here. Free camping, 14 days. Pretty sure we've introduced this guy, Bruno. He is our pound puppy, rescue puppy. Looks like our van neighbors are leaving. If you look way off in the distance, that is Highway 95. The northbound traffic is headed to Quartzsite, and the southbound traffic is headed to Yuma. We'll be headed up. Plenty of camping. 14 days, like I said before. I think I'm gonna try it, y'all. These little teddy bear choyas, I believe. Jumping cacti, whatever you want to call it. I like it. Down there just a little bit further, see what I can see before I commit to that right there. Lincoln, this is it, go. I'm going for it. It's rained. There's a lot of beautiful odoriferous. Let's hope I can get up to this. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. But we're gonna shoot for the top of that. Top of that, the Julia's right away. But I think I can get around them. I think I'm gonna try right through there. simple down through there. So I could get this view. Okay, y'all, we've done our exploring up here. It's time to head down, head back, get back over yonder, over there. And tomorrow we'll do some recording up in Palm Canyon. Let's go. Look at them bad boys. There's some greenery right there. Best to figure out what it is. There is a children's song that I keep being reminded every time I look out here. Y'all, can you guess what it might be? How about the Teddy Bear's Picnic? So there is a small cave slash den right up here. One of two scenarios is going to happen. I'm going to walk up here and there's going to be nothing in it, which is my best case scenario. Or there's going to be a critter in it, and I am going to have to contend with that. So no doubt that's a bedding area for something. I do not know what. Whatever it is not home, thank goodness. Journey back. Decided to take the high road here because it's less choya to contend with. I have to walk on this slope, but I think walking on the slope is actually less painful than rolling through those bad boys, would be my assumption. I didn't bring a spare battery, y'all, so course number one, moving on. So my GoPro battery went dead, no shock, and I didn't bring a spare, even less of a shock. So I'm going to do this last clip on my phone, just in case I decide to make this a standalone video. We'll see how much Palm Canyon footage I get tomorrow morning. And if this is the final clip on this video, then we'll see you next week with a Palm Canyon video. If it's not, we'll see you tomorrow with a Palm Canyon video. One way or the other, we're gonna do some Palm Canyon footage. But for right now, there's Bart and Ernie. I'm gonna call this the end of this little expedition, and we'll see y'all whichever way the wind blows. Bye.